Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unblock someone on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unblock someone on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and over here guys you can see your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that profile picture icon, and from over here guys, again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three lined icon, and over here guys you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the blocked under the category of who can see your content. Tap on blocked, and all of the person whom you have blocked on Instagram will be available over here. Now in order to unblock that contact, simply tap on the unblock button at the right side of that contact and tap on unblock. And there guys, that contact has been unblocked on Instagram. And there guys, this is how to unblock someone on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.